Welcome back to Daytime Live. Don't worry. Etana is still here with us. And before she performs, we're going to talk a bit about her new single.
Nice. So the new single is entitled Kiss of Judas and it drops today. Tell us about the single.
Right now.
Video about to be launched in maybe just a few minutes.
Okay, wicked.
So Daytime Live get the
Pre-release.
We get the pre-release. Pre, darling. All right, you know what? Let's say no more. Let's have the song.
No, hold on. No, man, we want more information.
Babe.
Because this is another track from you and Flavor from
This is
Kemar.
another song from me and Kemar McGregor, yes.
Tell us a little bit about the process of making this song in particular.
So we were in the studio discussing a few things because I got betrayed by a friend.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
You know? Yeah, I did.
Oh.
And he must say, like when I walked in the studio, I hear the beat, but just automatically go off. Me not just friend, me not love likes. And you know, we're talking between us. I'll have conversation. I say, yeah man, and you remember this?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so we just, you know,
flow.
and it's not, it was magic, as usual.
I remember telling you, see them first two lines there, direct forward, immediate forward. I want their name gone.
Pull
Hit the ground
up.
running.
Love that. Can we see the performance? Can we have it? All right, Etana, take it away. We want to talk to you after.
Your stage.
Your stage.
Ready. Our Father, what's in heaven, how great's thy name. Protect me from those who want to bring me pain. Me not trust friend, me not love likes. Everybody say me weird and paranoid. Yeah, I've seen friends who take them best friends like. That's why me stay prayed up, cause I got my mind made up. Yeah, in this life, young, pure bad mind. You just can't trust mankind. Them want to see me fall, like the water off a Niagara Falls. Them no want to see me standing tall. Them want to see me greatness. Them comfortable seeing me low. Iniquity, them a trouble low. Smiling on my face, though me don't know. That's why. What me say? Why? Me not trust friend, me not love likes. Everybody say me weird and paranoid. Yeah, I've seen friends who take them best friends like. That's why me stay prayed up, cause I got my mind made up. Yeah, in this life, young, pure bad mind. You just can't trust mankind. Watch your friend them when you kick it. Remember, pray before you sleep. Cause them a demon, them a look so pretty. Can't sacrifice me for no Benz we go, baby. You have some friends and family, said them a secret enemy, full of bad mind and jealousy. Feed them plate people and yours empty. Me no trust friend, me no love likes. Everybody say me weird and paranoid, yeah. But I've seen friends who take them best friends like. That's why me stay prayed up, cause I got my mind made up. Yeah. In this life, young, pure bad mind. You just can't trust mankind. Our Father, what in heaven, how great's thy name. Thy kingdom come, we pray. Our Father art in heaven, how great's thy name. Thy kingdom come, we pray. Pray, we pray. Pray, we pray.
Nice.
I've seen friends who take
Them best friend life.
Hold on. Come here. Craigie said the first two line alone is like amazing. And I was like, what's the first two line?
Can I identify with them?
But you see when you say the first two line, you see.
Me not trust friend, me not love likes. Everybody say me weird and paranoid, yeah. But I've seen, we are at the verse.
I've seen
Friends who take them best friends like.
Aye, belly, lick me.
And that's
Tell me,
real.
Stella.
Lick me.
That's real.
Listen, I have seen some friends bad mind friend man. And you know, say bad man is murder, right? I just say.
That's right. But that's why I encourage everyone to watch the video because that's the story there.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
The story is in the video. The video tells the story well.
Yeah,
you know,
you need
our
to see
friends
it.
who can, instead of celebrating you,
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't have to have it. I know you
like a low-key bad mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Like,
We have to check the bad mind thing, you
like,
know.
nice job.
You have to check the bad mind.
Quickly, where we can find it on social media?
Etana Strong One, ETANASTRONGONE, or on Facebook, One Etana, ONE, ETANA, and on TikTok, Etana Live, ETANALIVE.
That is it.
If you forget it, go to etanamusic.com and you'll be able
Beautiful.
to find all the links.
Beautiful.
Everything
And Etana, the song drop
Today.
today.
Like, literally,
So,
like this is the first time
Yeah.
when I ever take the mic and sing the song.
wow. So guys, don't forget to stream. The song is almost
Yeah.
available on all platforms that you get your music from. So go
I should
stream
take
it,
the
go
mic and
stream
sing
it.
the song live.
Go stream it, go stream it. Thank you so much, Etana,
Yeah,
for joining.
thanks for
I
having
love
me.
you.
Awesome stuff.
Thank you so much
Awesome.
for joining us.
You're amazing.
Family.
Big up. Please remember to check on your loved ones and support as a community. Thank you very much for tuning in. We'll be back on Friday. Make sure you stay safe and go stream the song. Kiss of Judas.